Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My subscriber, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. On this video, I will be showing you how I preserve my ripe and unripe plantain to remain fresh, because I used to store it in the freezer, but when I later fry it, I don't like the result of it. So I figured out this way and it's really working for me. This video here is the 4th day of me preserving this plantain. What you have to do is just apply cold water into your bowl or your bucket, fill it up, make sure it overcovers the plantain, and just store it in a cool place. That's it. And you have to change the water every day. Every day. A day without changing the water, you will not like the outcome of it, but still your plantain will remain fresh. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next video, thank you.